Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cup Guy. Today we are going to be exploring Canva AI Generator. So let's get started. So we are right now here in the Canva interface. So let's click on Code for me to get started with Canva Code Generator. So right off the bat, Canva AI already asks you what you want to code. So you will describe your idea and it will code it for you. So for example, here, let's say we want to code a budget tracker for our income, for expenses, and for savings. Let's say this is what we want to have coded or what we want to create. So now it's coding for us already. So instantly, basically, you don't have to do any form of coding at all with Canva. All you have to do is to type in your idea, and then from here, it will generate a code for you instantly, just like so. So as you can see here, it already coded up for you. And it prompted a message: I'll create a budget tracker that helps you manage income, expenses, and savings. This will be a clean, functional tool with a nice visual design. So let's wait for a couple of minutes for this to finish coding. Then later on, we will see the outcome or the progress, how it looks like. And eventually, if you don't like what it coded, you can change it up on your own, or you can ask again AI to recode it for you to match the design or to match the web page or website or whatever application this that you are after. And this is the budget tracker that it created for us. So here you can already see and you can test it out already right here. So let's say add income. Let's say from our full-time job, let's say we make around $1,000. And then you can see the balance here changing already. And then let's add expenses. Let's say rent. Let's say our rent is around $100. Save it up. And as you can see, this is the expense breakdown. This is the savings progress. And the best part is you can use it as a design already for a presentation, a website, or a document. If for a website, let's click on website. This is what it will look like right here. We can add sections here. And in this section, you can utilize, of course, Canva AI again for you to create more, or for you to be able to add more info regarding, of course, the website. You can go back here, try it out again, click on use a sign. You can use this for a document or a presentation. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.